airplanes anyplace. Here's Rob Holland in the MXS-RH for Rob Holland, built for him. He pushes to the outside. Look at that. He will experience in excess of 12 positive and 6 negative G's. You and I would be losing our lunch in this as he climbs for altitude and gets ready to put on this amazing show. He is your current national aerobatic champion. He's one of the most decorated, respected, and innovative aerobatic pilots anywhere in the world, performing at air shows all over North America. He has won 9 consecutive U.S. Unlimited Aerobatic Championships. He is also the current and 5-time winner of the World Freestyle Aerobatic Championships. This is a guy, as Larry Strain was telling you, is able to think of a maneuver and get the airplane to do it. Thousands and thousands and thousands of hours. He's a graduate of Daniel Webster College, and we're thrilled to have him here today. You can check his Facebook page at facebook.com/Ultimate Airshows. He's got thousands of followers. Take a look as he works his way down from show center. Rob Holland was awarded the International Council of Air Shows Art Show Award for Showmanship, the highest award that any pilot can receive in our air show industry. Climbing sideways and does a pinwheel. Look at that. Try to do that in any other airplane, you can't. The carbon fiber construction of this airplane gives it the capability of exceeding 16 positive G's, more than any of us could ever experience. Watch him as he pushes to the outside. He'll reach almost 0 airspeed, but starts the vertical line, sets it there, runs out of airspeed. He goes into now a turnaround into a series of quarter rolls on the down line. Now we're seeing what are fast rolls now. The astounding roll rate of this airplane exceeds 500 degrees per second. As my friend Danny Clisham says, that's a lot of green, blue, green, blue, green, blue going by Rob Holland's face. When he climbs into the vertical, you can also see that smoke change a little bit as he sets the vertical line. So keep an eye on that as he does the forward flip. He comes out of it, goes into a snap roll and a half to the inverted. 2 more rolls upright. On the right-hand side of the aerobatic box, that's 10 G pulls. Now, did you see that smoke change? That's how he set the vertical line. Just feet above the ground. 45. Rolls inverted, point rolls to upright, and inverted and holds it. He'll run out of airspeed. Gravity will win here, but he's got it all enough energy to turn it around for not a single but a double forward flip. Ladies and gentlemen of Lakeland and around the world, how do you like Rob Holland? I can't hear you. This airplane can tumble like no other. Now watch him, there he comes down, goes into a turn and a half of a flat spin. He'll trade that altitude, turn it into energy, diving back down. Top speed, 300 miles per hour. He has a 385 horsepower motor on the front of this airplane. And watch him, that's the slider. He does an outside shoulder roll into the slider again. Hangs it there on the prop, turns it into a bit of a torque roll. He'll let the nose fall through the horizon. Knife edge descent, a roll and a quarter to upright. Vertical rolls, reversals. Keep your eyes, get your cameras ready for this. And he's going to be diving down for the next part of the maneuver. this is something that very few other pilots are capable of doing. Up he goes. He'll roll upright. Do what has been sometimes called a lumshabak. That means walking with an inebriated gait. And there's the Cobra. There it is. In excess of 90 degrees of pull-up on that. How about Rob Holland, everybody? Keep applauding that guy. He is awesome. And we're just about to go live to the cockpit.